All right, in the last video, we showed you how to make a eSIM purchase with the API and Postman. This video, we're going to show you how you can cancel an order for an eSIM that has not been used yet. So here I am in my console with the France plan that we purchased in the last video. We can see our balance is now deducted, the amount of the plan. We see here we have the ICC ID. Now this is a feature that is available here in the console. We do have this ability to trigger the cancel endpoint, which does a cancellation and refund. But we're going to do that here through the API. So we're going to need this ICC ID. We can get it here, but as we saw before, we can also get it right here in the eSIM payload. Okay, so we're going to cancel this particular ICC ID. So I'm going to copy that ICC ID and we're going to head over to the cancel profile endpoint. Now we do have some other endpoints in the same realm. I'll just explain those briefly. Cancel is for brand new orders that are not installed in a device yet. And in this case, a full refund can be given and the eSIM will be returned back into inventory. So cancel refunds an order that is not used yet. Suspend and the unsuspend are for installed profiles that are being used by a customer, and you want to disable their usage ability. These are carrier dependent, depending on which carrier partner is used. Different results will be achieved, but that is what these two allow. And revoke is basically a hard cutoff and a return of the eSIM back to inventory. So this one would not have any refund. This would be for an eSIM that's already being used. Maybe it was used for a particular fraud reason, and you can just cut it off completely. But there would be no refund with this one. And suspend gives you the ability to pause a profile and restart it. So let's head back to the cancel endpoint here. And again, we're going to look here in the body. And all we need to pass is the ICC ID, the eSIM ID of the particular eSIM we want to cancel. And so if we run this, we are going to send the cancel request. And we get a true response. So that's pretty much all there is to it on this end. And this will take potentially a little while, but let's see what we get here. We didn't run the balance check to see if we've been updated, but there we are. We're updated back to our original balance. And if we head back over to the console where we did see our old balance, this does take a while to update. So let's see if it's updated yet. Oh, and it is updated already. So now we have already been refunded the amount of the plan that was canceled. So that's how to cancel an eSIM purchase. You probably want to use this if you've made an order by mistake, or if you've issued one that ends up not being sold or used. You can use this to return the eSIM back to inventory and also get a refund. So that's the cancel endpoint.